All right, here we go with 5.1, page 162. We are actually going to do page 162 on this video. If you didn't watch the video before this, it goes over the problems on the bottom of page 161. Make sure you watch that. It's very important. All right, so this problem, we have a table that shows the cost of some fruits purchased at the farm stand. We got mangoes, pears, and oranges, and they give you the amount purchased, the weight of the fruit, and then how much they paid, and we have to figure out cost per pound. So this is just simply, these are just simply division problems. As long as you know how to divide, maybe divide some decimals, then this is actually pretty simple. So mangoes, we have $2.60 for 2 pounds, just a division problem. You can do that in your head. That comes out to be $1.30. I'm going to put M for mangoes, $1.30 per pound. And then for pears, you're paying $3.50 for 2.5 pounds. And I'm going to get rid of that 0, so we can just call this 35 divided by 25. And let's do that over here off to the side. 35 divided by 25. And obviously, we're going to have to call that 0.0 because it's not going to go in to 25 evenly, but we end up with 35 minus 25. That comes out to be 10. Bring down that 0. And 25 goes into 100 4 times. And this is money. It's how much it costs per pound is $1.40. That's the unit rate, $1.40 per pound. All right, now we move on to the oranges. And that's $2.70 for 2.25 pounds. And I should be putting pounds down here so we can keep track of that. Okay, and I can just simply multiply both of those by 100. So actually what I'm doing is 270 divided by 225. Well, we know that it's going to go in 1 time, which is 225. Subtract, and we get, what is that, 40, 45. We need to add a decimal and a 0 into there, so 450. And I can just eyeball that and say 2 times 225 is 450. Add the $sign in, the extra 0, and the oranges are $1.20 per pound. And now I can order these. The cheapest, best price is oranges, then mangoes at $1.30 per pound, and then pears. All right, try number 8.